morning, happy solstice. Throughout the ancient Mediterranean world, women were the primary percussionists, holding positions of spiritual leadership and authority. With the beats of their frame drums, tambourines, shakers, and sound makers, with their incantations and sacred songs and dances, in processional fashion, in the temples and in the streets, in green forests and flowery meadows, on mountaintops and rooftops, in deep dark caves, fireside, seaside, riverside. They led their communities through the portals and passages of life. In ritual, reverie, and revelry, in ceremony and celebration, they roused, raised, and unified group consciousness, seeking and sourcing divination, oracular knowledge, ecstatic union, and healing meditative magic. Goddesses, priestesses, and everyday women are depicted with frame drums in thousands and thousands of ancient artifacts, dating as far back as 5800 BCE. And then their drums were silenced. Contemporary women are saying, "We've come to take our drums back." This is our remembrance and our reclamation of who we are. Thanks to the tireless work of my teacher, Layne Redmond, author of When the Drummers Were Women, a spiritual herstory of rhythm, we're now aware of and can honor and be inspired by the women who lived and drummed thousands of years ago. This is my and our lineage. I've been teaching and facilitating rhythm and hand drumming for 3 decades now. Jewell, our gem of a friend here, had read my announcement that I was inviting women into an online worldwide mentorship circle, training and coaching women to lead their own drum processions. In a short amount of time, she called in this beautiful group of women: Gail, Layne, Linda, Rosa, Tara, and herself, Jewell. And Jackie, who is hopefully watching us right now. I worked with them privately only a few times, and Jewell worked with them as well. These amazing women took to this sacred fusion in rhythm immediately, and here we are. Well done, Jewell. You manifested your vision. May your drum processions continue to be a blessing for you, the women in your circle, and all who witness in your community. Thank you for inviting me to help you create our rhythmic offering.